So I was thinking the other day, what are the 5 tools I can't do without in my shop? For someone who has a shop full of equipment, that's tough to narrow it down to 5, so 20 would have been a lot easier for me. But if I had to choose, here's my top 5, and yours may differ. Number 1, my welder. I really like this Hobart Multi-Handler 200 because it allows me to stick, MIG, and DC TIG weld with one machine, which saves floor space for me. Number 2, something to cut with, like a bandsaw or a plasma cutter, like the Hobart Air Force 40i that helps me cut when I can't use my bandsaws. Number 3, good workbench. Mine is 5 foot by 10 foot, allows me a lot of space to do some of the larger projects that I get. Number 4, a variety of different tools to hold my work in place, like C-clamps and magnets. And lastly, number 5, a good selection of measuring tools like a good tape measure and an angle finder. So that's my top 5. What top 5 tools do you need in your shop to get the job done?